Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to create Wix business email. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser on your PC, laptop, or Mac, and then go to manage.wix.com and make sure you have already logged into your account as well so that you could easily follow along and won't have to think about anything else. Once you are on the website, all you have to do right now is follow the same steps that I'm doing. On the left side, you will now look for a setting that says Communications and then go to Business Email. Now, let's wait for Wix to fully load. And then in here, build trust with a professional email address. It could be info@yourdomain.com. That is an example. Now to make one, we will now scroll down and tap on Connect a Domain. It should not be hard to miss. It's this blue button over here. It says Connect a Domain. Now, wait for Wix to fully finish loading. In here, you will now choose as to what domain you want to use. .online, .shop, .blog, .design, .tech, depending on whatever you like. And then, click on the search bar. In here, type in your name or whatever it is. Could be your business name as well. Rahim.com, and then click on Let's Go. It's the blue button next to the search bar. Had to make it dramatic. And that should be it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.